Now, before I start speaking, let me take a quick survey. I always like to know my audience. Now, who among you has ever been able to find reliable contractors and get them on a job within 1 hour? Now, I'm asking because I can. And when I discovered I had a broken toilet, I posted a job, hired a plumber, got the repair completed all under 1 hour, and I did not pay any rush fee. Now, raise your hand if it took you more than a day from the time you discovered a problem until you find someone to fix it. Raise your hand if it's 2 days, even longer. Great. The most of you here are my audience. Hi, I'm ChoreRelief, founder of ChoreRelief, and I'm here to tell you how I got the same day repair for a very fair price. What we're doing is very complicated, but it actually comes from a very simple idea. Now, ChoreRelief, we're building the maintenance and repair experience of the future. What does that exactly mean? Now, first, we recognize that landlords and contractors have very similar pain points. Now, for contractors, it takes forever to get a client, and it has become more and more expensive to find leads. Tradespeople spend hours and hours each week inspecting properties, giving out free estimate, chasing unpaid invoices, and at the end, it costs them lost time, lost opportunity, and lost income. Now, for landlords, it's hours on the phone trying to find someone qualified and available who fits their budget, playing phone tag for a couple of days, fiddling messages at night, and even putting up with delay repair that cause property damage and trouble for their tenants. And things get even worse when they try to make temporary repairs themselves, losing more time and money because no one is available when they need it. Now, the bottom line is no one is happy with the current state of things. And what ChoreRelief does, it provides an end-to-end solution for everyone in the residential repair and maintenance industry. And it works just as well for homeowners too. Now, you can think of ChoreRelief as a digital concierge service. When landlords or homeowners have an issue, they can post it right in our app, include a description of the problem, pictures, and even a budget if you like. And ChoreRelief match those with local pros we vetted in advance that are available and on demand. And those pros can see your problem, your budget, your location upfront, so only those who are a good fit respond. And they respond right away because they have an opening on their calendar today. You see, ChoreRelief does what other systems aren't doing, and that's balancing supply and demand in your neighborhood every single day. That makes us a true American marketplace that automatically adapts to the current economy. ChoreRelief benefits everyone because everyone wins. Now let me show you how it works. On the blue screen is the customer app and the orange one is the service provider app. Let's go ahead and post a cleaning job. An address. Choose the time when you want the task to be done. And this is what makes it so unique, is the ability that as consumers now get to name their price, or if they don't have any idea, they can go with the open option, which is open to any bit house cleaning. And this is my order summary. I'm ready to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and submit the job. Now, once the job gets submitted, as you can see in the orange screen, the contractors immediately receive notification, let them know there's a job in his area. So I'm going to go, once they refresh the app, they're able to see the job just posted. Go ahead and send a bid at a night $50. And again, the customer immediately gets these notifications. So if I click on proposal, I can see I have an offer from this contractor for $50. I can choose to chat with the person if I want to. I can just go ahead and hire if I'm ready to go. Now, there's also a layer of security here for both parties. Actually, we create an escrow account where we hold the funds, so it's not being dispersed until the work is being completed to the client's satisfaction. Now, at this point, everything is going to be from the contractor side. Every time they change the status of the order, and that's starting from I'm in my way, automatically the customer will be getting notified about the status of the work until actually it's being completed. Start the job immediately. So, and last but not least, we can take a photo of the completed work, upload this to the app, and at this point what we do is we're going to take all this information and then send it out to the customer. The clients will eventually take a look at the invoice, which shows the before and after photos. And all they have to do right now is just rate their experience and tell us okay to release the funds. And that's it. That's how simple it is. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I look forward to hearing back from you. Until then, peace, be safe, and take care.